For this activity, you'll be creating arrays or rectangles to represent the number. If you believe that the number has multiple factor pairs, it is probably going to be best to use rectangles, as rectangles typically take less time to create than the arrays. You'll go up to the Shape tool, click Shapes, and then Rectangle to use the Rectangle tool. Draw the rectangle, align the text to the center, then simply type the factor pair that goes with that rectangle. Continue to make rectangles until you have created all the rectangles for that number. If you want to use arrays, the X's have already been created for you, and you simply need to drag and drop. You'll continue to drag and drop these X's until you've used 24 X's to create a rectangle. Once you've done that, then use the text box tool, create a text box, type the factor pair that goes with that array, and then continue to make arrays until you've completed all the arrays for that particular number. Once you create all the arrays or the rectangles for that number, type on this line all the factors for that number. Remember, factor pairs are different from factors. Usually factors are listed from least to greatest, starting with 1 and then ending with the number itself. Then you'll come down here to circle either prime or composite. You'll simply move the oval to the correct word. Remember the definitions of prime and composite. Then move on to the bottom portion, which is explaining why you chose prime or composite. Make sure to use complete sentences and refer back to the beginning of this slide when you're creating the arrays and rectangles as evidence for your reasoning.